So dear students, we are continuing straight lines miscellaneous exercise. So next we'll do question number 18. Find the image of a point 3, 8 with respect to the line x plus 3y is equal to 7, assuming that line to be a plane mirror. That means think of that on this line x plus 3y minus 7 is 0. We are keeping a mirror here. So this point is 3, 8. Where will be its image? So you know that image is formed just on the perpendicular, and the distance always image distance is equal to object distance. So the question is about P dash. You can take as HK, or you can take AB also, any point, or you can take X1, Y1. Now coming to this point, this Q point we call as your foot of the perpendicular. Q is foot of perpendicular. Now I can start from HK or I can start from Q. Taking the foot of the perpendicular, I can get the first, then I can go for HK. So here, what is the slope of this given line? Its slope is equal to minus a by b, that will be minus 1 by 3. So what will be the slope of PQ? Slope of PQ is negative reciprocal, so this will be just 3. Then I am making the equation to line PQ. What will be it is? It will be y minus 8 is equal to 3 into x minus 3. Because this I can take x1, y1, and m I got 3. So y minus 8 is equal to 3x minus 9, or y minus 3x is equal to minus 1, or simply this will be minus 3x plus y is equal to minus 1. This is the equation of the PQ, and this is the line equation, and this intersection point is your Q. So I am solving these two equations. One is this, one is we got to xy. So what I am doing, I am multiplying 3x in this equation. So 3 times of x plus 9y is equal to your 21. I multiply 21. And here minus 3x plus y is equal to minus 1. I'll add them. Adding. How much I'll get? I'll get 10y is equal to 20. So y is equal to 2. Now when y is equal to 2, y is equal to how much I'll get? I'll make 3x is equal to minus 3. So x is equal to minus 1. Let us check once. This is minus 3 plus minus, this will be 1. So this point is 1, 2. Now what is Q? Q is nothing but midpoint of P dash. Where is P dash is image, and its coordinate I have taken HK. So I'll put the midpoint formula. So h plus 3 divided by 2 is equal to x. What is x? X is 1. So this gives you h. H is equal to 2 minus 3, that will be minus 1. Next coming to y. So it will be k plus 8 divided by 2 is equal to 2. Or k is equal to how much? Minus 4. So this is your image. So image will be which one? -1, -4. Question number 19. If the lines y is equal to 3x plus 1 to y is equal to x plus 3 are equally inclined to y is equal to mx plus 4, find the value of m. So let me draw a figure, then it will be understood better. This is equal to y is equal to mx plus 4. This line is y is equal to x plus 3 to y is equal to x plus 3, or I can write y is equal to half x plus 3 by 2. And third line is equal to y is equal to 3x plus 1. And all are in slope form, so we don't have any problem, but it is given that they are equally inclined. Angle between them are equal. So let me write now. So what is the slope of first line? Line 1 slope is your half. Line 2 slope is m. L3 slope is your 3 m half. So first the angle between L1 and L2 is theta. So I'll write tan theta is equal to m minus half upon 1 plus half into m. Next is angle here is also theta. So this is same tan theta I can write. Here it will be 3 minus m upon 3 minus m upon 1 plus 3 into m. These two are equal. So we have to simplify them. So m minus half by 1 plus half m is equal to plus minus 3 minus m by 1 plus 3m. Now cross multiply. How much you are getting? I'll get m minus half, or I can make it 2m minus 1 by 2m plus 1. Not 2m plus 1, 2 plus m. This is 2 plus m. 2 plus m, 2 to cancel. This will be plus minus 3 minus m by 1 plus 3m. So cross multiply, it will be 2m plus 3m, 6m square minus 1 minus 3m is equal to, I'm writing plus 1 first, then I'll go for writing other angle. So it will be, I'm taking a plus now. So this will be 2 into 3, 6 plus 3m minus m square minus 2m. So this gives you how much? Anything is cancelled? No, no, no. So 6m square minus m minus 1 plus m square minus m minus 6 is 0. So this gives me 5m square minus 2m minus 7 is 0. Or I'll simplify 5m square minus 7m plus 5m minus 7 is 0, or 5m taking common, not 5m, m taking common, we get 5m minus 7 plus 1 taking common 5m minus 7. So this gives you m is equal to minus 1 or m is equal to 7 by 5. So this will be the answer. If we take the negative one, also you will get the answer. So when it is the value of m, so no need of negative positive, with the positive only you can get a value. Because question is find the value of net, not values. Next is 21. Find the equation of the line which is equidistant from the parallel line 9x plus 6y minus 7 is 0. 3x plus 2y plus 6 is 0. So these are two parallel lines. One is 9x plus 6y minus 7 is 0. 3x plus 2y plus 6 is 0. So first line, I'm dividing throughout with 3 to get your xy coefficient as same, minus 7 by 3 is 0. So 3x plus 2y plus 6 is 0. Now any line parallel to this line be 3x plus 2y plus k is 0. Now to find the value of k. So one line is your minus 7, one is 6. So we can get C1 plus C2 by 2 is the k. Just mid value of this because it will be equidistant from two parallel lines. So C1 plus C2 by is equal to k. So how much it will be? It will be minus 7. This is C1, this is C2. Not C1. C1 is minus 7 by 3 because we convert it into standard form. So minus 7 by 3 plus 6 by 2. How much it will be? Minus 7 plus 18 by 2 by 6. It will be 11 by 6. So in place of k, I'll put the 11 by 6. So it will be 3x plus 2y plus 11 by 6 is 0. And in general form, it will be 18x plus 12y plus 11 is 0. Question number 22. A ray of light passing through the point 1, 2 reflects on the x-axis at a point A, and reflected ray passes through point 5, 3. Find the coordinates of A. This is the x-axis. A point is here. Any point on x-axis we take as x comma 0, and it is given that this is an incident ray. It is passing through 1 comma 2. This is incident ray, and it is reflected back. You know the laws of reflection. It will make the same angle with the normal, and it is returning back in 5 comma 3, passing through 5 comma 3. P, Q, and A. So angle of incidence is same as your angle of reflection. Okay. So in this way. Now you have to find the coordinates of A. So what I'm doing, I let it take this angle as your QA with the horizontally making it alpha. Then you understand that alpha plus theta is equal to 90 degree. That means automatically this angle will be also alpha because these two are equal to each other. Now the ray AQ makes angle alpha with positive x-axis. I have drawn it. So I can write slope of this line tan alpha is equal to how much? It will be 1 point is 5, 3, 1 point is x 0. So it will be 3 minus 0 by 5 minus x. It will be 3 by 5 minus x. Next, slope of PA. PA max how much? It will be 180 minus alpha. So tan 180 minus alpha is equal to your how much? Now here slope will be 2 minus 0 by 1 minus x. So tan 1 minus 1 is minus tan alpha. That means 1 is negative of 1. So it will be 3 by 5 minus x is equal to minus 2 by 1 minus x. Now cross multiply. This gives you 3 minus 3x is equal to minus 10 plus 2x, or minus 5x is equal to minus 13, or x is equal to how much? 13 by 5. So then what is the coordinate of A? A has the coordinate 13, 5, 13 by 5, 0. Question number 24. A person standing at the junction of two straight lines. Two straight lines junction means what? It is the intersection point. A person is standing here. Now, one line is your 2x minus 3y plus 4 is 0. Another line is 3x plus 4y minus 5 is 0. Now next, read the question. He wants to reach the path whose equation is 6x minus 7y plus 8 is 0. This is the path whose equation is 6x minus 7y plus 8 is 0. He wants to reach this path least time. Least time means he will go on the perpendicular distance. That means the question is about PQ, the perpendicular distance from this point P to this line. So first we'll get the P point of intersection. So I'm taking 3x plus 4y minus 5 is 0, and the line is 2x minus 3y plus 4 is 0. So first equation I'm multiplying with 2. This gives you 6x plus 8y is equal to 10. Multiplying throughout by 2. Here I'll multiply 3. So 6x minus 9y I'm multiplying with 3. Then it will be minus 12. Now we'll subtract. This will be cancelled. Positive, positive. You are getting 17y is equal to 22. Then y is equal to 22 by 7, 17. Now let us put in any x. So 3x plus 4 into 22 by 17 is equal to 5. Or 3x is equal to 5 minus 88 by 17. So it will be minus 3 by 17, or x is equal to minus 1 by 17. So P has the coordinate. P is your minus 1 by 17 and 22 by 17. Next, from this you will find the distance. So you will put the formula on this line. So it will be minus 1 by 17 into 6 minus 7 into 22 by 17 plus 8 by under root 6 square plus 7 square. So this will be modulus. it will be 6 by 17 negative minus 154 by 17 plus 136. Only 117 I am writing. 6 square is 36, 7 square is 49, modulus. So how much it will be? It will be 160 minus 160 minus 160 plus 136. So it will be 24. So 24 by how much? Square root 585. This is the distance. Okay. Then you have to get your equation to this line. It is the find the equation of the path. Equation path is, you will get the slope of this line. What is slope of this line? It will be minus s 6 by 7, m is 6 by 7. So what will be the slope of PQ? PQ will be minus 7 by 6. Then what is the point? Point is your this one. So equation will be y minus 22 by 17 is equal to minus 7 by 6 into x plus 1 by 17. Simplify, you will get the answer. Question number 23. Prove that the product of the length of the perpendicular drawn from the point under root a square minus b square 0 and or minus under root b square a square minus square 0 to this line is b square. That means question is asked that this is the line x by a cos theta plus y by b sin theta minus 1 is 0. One point is your under root a square minus b square comma 0. Let this be p. From here, one perpendicular is your p1 and another point is minus a square minus b square comma 0 and let it be q. Here the distance is p2, perpendicular distance. You have to show that p1 multiplies p2 is equal to b square. So all this distance from a point to a line. So first we are getting P1. So let P1 be the distance from under root a square minus b square comma 0 to this line. So what is the formula? Let me write the line in a proper form. It will be cos theta by a into x plus sin theta by b into y minus 1 is 0. So when I'll find the distance, so x1 will be multiplied with a and this will be multiplied with 0. So v1 is equal to modulus under root a square minus b square into cos theta by a plus 0 I am not writing by 1 by under root cos square theta by a square plus sin square theta by b square. Next, coming to distance from P2. P2 be the distance from minus a square minus b square, comma 0. So it will be how much P2 will be minus under root a square minus b square into cos theta by a minus 1, rest will be 0. Here it will be same here, cos square theta by a square plus sin square theta by b square. So we'll multiply them, P1 into P2. P1 into P2 both have the same denominator, they will be multiplied so that there will be no square root. So the P1, P2, the square root will be vanished, so it will be cos square theta by a square plus sin square theta by b square. And here how much it will be if I multiply, then it will be minus 1 into this, minus 1 into this. So it will be minus 1 square minus under root a square minus b square cos theta by a whole square. So again on simplification I'll get 1 minus a square minus b square into cos square theta by a square whole divided by, I can write this b square cos square theta plus a square sin square theta upon a square b square. Now we need the simplification of the numerator. So numerator will be a square minus a square cos square theta plus b square cos square theta whole divided by a square. And denominator will be as it is, b square cos square theta plus a square sin square theta and by a square b square. Next, in the numerator I'll take a square common, 1 minus cos square theta plus b square cos square theta whole into, now a square b square will be multiplied here, and the numerator I'll get a square into b square cos square theta plus a square sin square theta. Next I will cancel a square and this will become sin square theta. So a square sin square theta plus b square cos square theta whole, what is left? Left is b square. And the denominator you are getting same, your a square sin square theta plus b square cos square theta. I suggest you can pause the video and you can write slowly. So how we are getting on simplification b square. So question is not difficult, only the simplification part you should do it correctly. Thank you for watching.